Ram, Suprabhatam. We'll start with the prayers. Gurureva gatir gurumeva bhaje Gurunaiva sahasmi namo gurave Na guroh paramam shishurasmi guroho Matirasti gurau mama pahi guru Yogena chittasya padena vacham Malam sharirasya cha vaidyakena Yopakarottam pravaram muninam Patanjalim pranjaliranatosmi. So we left off at the 41st Sutra of Vibhutipada. So today we will try something different. We'll try to sing with the chant the sutras with the Shruti, so that because we have to practice for the Parayana which is on 21st of June. So in preparation for that, from now onwards, every class I'll be putting the Shruti. That's just going to maintain the same tune, so that we start each sutra at on the same note. Let me play it. Okay, so Kaya Akashayoho Sambandha. So underline the Mahaprana. Sanyamat Laghu, again underline the Mahaprana. Tula Samapattehe Cha Akasha Gamanam. Okay, Shri Kriti. Kaya Akashayoho Sambandha Sanyamat Laghu Tula Samapattehe Cha Akasha Gamanam. Okay. Kayakashayoho Sambandha Sanyamat Laghutula Samapattehe Cha Akashagamanam. Complete sutram. So if you want to pause in between, because it's a long sutram, you can pause wherever the samasta pada ends. So that would be after Akashayoho, or after Sanyamat, and then after Laghutula Samapattehe. So similarly, wherever the samasta pada ends, you can give a pause and continue. Kayakashayo Sambandha Sanyamal Laghutula Samapatteshchakashagamanam.
Kayakashayo Sambandha Sanyamal Laghutula वृत्तेश्चाकाशागमनं
So
काय
akasha gamanam, there is no dirgham after sha. Look.
कायाकाशयोः सम्बन्धसंयमाल्लघुतूलसमापत्तेश्चाकाशगमनम्.
Very good. Perfect. Okay. Go to the next sutra. Bahihi akalpita vrittihi maha videha tataha prakasha avarana kshayaha. This one has no mahaprana, so we can easily chant it. Bahihi
बहिः बहिः
akalpita
अकल्पिता अकल्पिता
vrittihi
वृत्तिः वृत्तिः
maha
महा महा
videha
विदेहा विदेहा
tataha
ततः ततः
prakasha
प्रकाश प्रकाश
avarana
आवरण आवरण
kshayaha.
क्षयः क्षयः.
So when the visarga at the end of bahi, it combines with akalpita, it becomes a rakara, a repa. So bahirakalpita. And then same applies here. Vrittihi and maha becomes vrittir mahavideha. And then remember to pronounce the upadmaniya after tataha. So tatah prakasha, because there is a pa in the next word. And the others are very simple for combining. Bahirakalpita
बहिरकल्पिता बहिरकल्पिता
vrittirmahavideha
वृत्तिर्महाविदेहा वृत्तिर्महाविदेहा
tatah prakashavaranakshayaः
ततः प्रकाशावरणक्षयः ततः प्रकाशावरणक्षयः.
Very good. Okay. Bahirakalpita vrittirmahavideha tatah prakashavaranakshayaः
बहिरकल्पिता वृत्तिर्महाविदेहा ततः प्रकाशावरणक्षयः बहिरकल्पिता वृत्तिर्महाविदेहा ततः प्रकाश प्रकाश आवरणक्षयः.
Sthula. So remember to focus on the Mahapranatha, Svarupa, Sukshma, Anvaya, Arthavatva. So again focus on the Mahapranatha, Sanyamat, Bhuta, Mahapranabha, Jayaha. Sthula.
स्थूला स्थूला
Svarupa,
स्वरूप स्वरूप
Sukshma,
सूक्ष्म सूक्ष्म
Anvaya,
अन्वय अन्वय
Arthavatva,
अर्थवत्व अर्थवत्व
Sanyamat,
संयमात् संयमात्
Bhuta,
भूत भूत
Jayaha.
जयः जयः
Sthula Svarupa Sukshma,
स्थूलस्वरूप सूक्ष्म स्थूलस्वरूप सूक्ष्म
Anvayarthavatva Sanyamat,
अन्वयार्थवत्वसंयमात् अन्वयार्थवत्वसंयमात्
भूतजयः
भूतजयः भूतजयः
complete sutram. Again, this is also, it may look really long. If you are feeling it difficult to hold your breath for so long, you can split it after Anvaya. Oh no, sorry, not Anvaya, after Sanyamat. So you can say Bhutajayah. Sorry, after Sanyamat you can split. स्थूलस्वरूपसूक्ष्मान्वयार्थवत्त्वसंयमात् भूतजयः
स्थूलस्वरूपसूक्ष्मान्वयार्थवत्वसंयमात् भूतजयः स्थूलस्वरूपसूक्ष्मान्वयार्थवत्वसंयमात् भूतजयः.
Perfect. You saw the way she split it. She said the ta when she split it, but when she combined it the first time, she told the dakara, because when we combine it, ta becomes the here. Okay. Tataha anima adi pradurbhavaha. Focus on Mahaprana. Kaya sampat tat dharma. Again, focus on the dha. Anabhighataha. There are two Mahapranas following one another. So underline here. Cha. Tataha.
ततः ततः
Anima.
अणिमा अणिमा
Adi.
आदि आदि
Pradurbhavaha.
प्रादुर्भावः प्रादुर्भावः
Kaya.
काय काय
Sampat.
संपत् संपत्
Tat.
तत् तत्
Dharma.
धर्म धर्म
Anabhighataha.
अनभिघातः अनभिघातः
Cha.
च च
Okay. Tatornimadi pradurbhavaha.
ततोऽणिमादिप्रादुर्भावः ततोऽणिमादिप्रादुर्भावः
Kaya sampattadharmanabhighataha.
कायसम्पत्तद्धर्मानभिघातः कायसम्पत्तद्धर्मानभिघातः
Cha.
च च
Complete sutram. Tatornimadi pradurbhavah kaya sampattadharmanabhighatascha.
ततोऽणिमादिप्रादुर्भावः कायसम्पत्तद्धर्मानभिघातश्च ततोऽणिमादिप्रादुर्भावः कायसम्पत्तद्धर्मानभिघातश्च.
Perfect. If you observed the way she split in the first time she chanted, after Pradurbhavaha, she took a split. So that pause is okay. Next sutram. Rupa, Lavanya, Bala, Vajra, Sauhananatvani. So count, there are only two nas. So we tend to just say more than that sometimes. Sauhananatvani, Kaya Sampat. Rupa,
रूप रूप
Lavanya,
लावण्य लावण्य
Bala,
बल बल
Vajra,
वज्र वज्र
Sauhananatvani,
संहननत्वानि संहननत्वानि
Both are correct. Samhananatvani or Samhananatvani. Kaya,
Kaya, Kaya,
Sampat,
Sampat, Sampat,
Rupalavanya,
Rupalavanya, Rupalavanya,
Balavajra Sahananatvani,
Balavajra Sauhananatvani, Balavajra Sauhananatvani,
Kaya Sampat,
Kaya Sampat, Kaya Sampat.
So when we say Sampat, try to produce the makara more properly. Sampat. It's not sun or some or some. It's Sampat. Okay, complete sutram. Rupalavanya balavajra sauhananatvani kaya sampat.
Rupalavanya balavajra sauhananatvani kaya sampat. Rupalavanya balavajra sauhananatvani kaya sampat.
Very good. Grahana Swarupa Asmita Anvaya Arthavatva Sanyamat Indriya Jayaha. So I'm sure all of these words have repeated in previous sutras, and that's what makes it easy about learning Yoga Sutras, because the previous sutras have certain words. They may be difficult at that point in time, but as you keep learning the next sutras, it's like you're improving each step, because you're learning a new word, and sometimes you're also getting revision from the previous words you learned to pronounce. So this sutra is perfect because all of these words, I'm sure you already heard them in the previous sutras. So we'll not go into detail. Grahana,
Grahana, Grahana,
Swarupa,
Swarupa, Swarupa,
Asmita,
Asmita, Asmita,
Anvaya,
Anvaya, Anvaya,
Arthavatva,
Arthavatva, Arthavatva,
Sanyamat,
Sanyamat, Sanyamat,
Indriya Jayaha,
Indriya Jayaha, Indriya Jayaha,
Grahana Swarupa Smita,
Grahana Swarupa Smita, Grahana Swarupa Smita,
Anvayarthavatva Sanyamat,
Anvayarthavatva Sanyamat, Anvayarthavatva Sanyamat,
Indriya Jayaha,
Indriya Jayaha, Indriya Jayaha.
Perfect. So if we want to take a pause, you can take it after Sanyamat. So Sanyamat and Indriya Jayaha turns into Sanyamad Indriya Jayaha, the. Okay. So if we split it, you should say ta itself. Grahana Swarupa Smitanvayarthavatva Sanyamad Indriya Jayaha.
ग्रहणस्वरूपास्मितान्वयार्थवत्व संयमात् इन्द्रियजयः ग्रहणस्वरूपास्मितान्वयार्थवत्व संयमादिन्द्रियजयः.
Very good. Tataha manojavitvam vikarana bhavaha pradhana jayaha cha. So focus on the bhavaha, bhamaha prana, and pradhana, dhamaha prana. Tataha
ततः ततः
manojavitvam
मनोजवित्वं
vikarana
विकरण
bhavaha
भावः भावः
प्रधान
प्रधान प्रधान
जयः
जयः जयः
च
च च
ततो मनोजवित्वम्
ततो मनोजवित्वं ततो मनोजवित्वं
विकरणभावः प्रधानजयश्च
विकरणभावः प्रधानजयश्च विकरणभावः प्रधानजयश्च
ततो मनोजवित्वं विकरणभावः प्रधानजयश्च
ततो मनोजवित्वं विकरणभावः प्रधानजयश्च ततो मनोजवित्वं विकरणभावः प्रधानजयश्च
Good. Okay. Here sattva purusha anyata khyati. Focus on the mahapranakha. Matrasya sarva bhava. Again, underline the bha. Adhishthatritvam. So here, remember both all two mahapranas are coming at the same place. So make a marking here. Sarva Jnatritvam cha. So, remember this rakara. It is not three or through. We'll start. Sattva
सत्त्वा सत्त्वा
Purusha
पुरुषा पुरुषा
Anyata
अन्यता अन्यता
Khyati
ख्याति ख्याति
Matrasya
मात्रस्य मात्रस्य
Sarva
सर्व सर्व
Bhava
भाव भाव
Adhishthatritvam
अधिष्ठातृत्वम् अधिष्ठातृत्वम्
Sarva
सर्व सर्व
Jnatritvam
ज्ञातृत्वं ज्ञातृत्वं
cha
च च
Sattvapurushanyata
सत्त्वपुरुषान्यता सत्त्वपुरुषान्यता
Khyatimatrasya
ख्यातिमात्रस्य ख्यातिमात्रस्य
Sarvabhavadhishthatritvam
सर्वभावाधिष्ठातृत्वं सर्वभावाधिष्ठातृत्वं.
So when we pronounce this word, remember to focus on dha, because when we see so many mahapranas, one of them we tend to mispronounce one. So we'll have her repeat it again. Sarvabhavadhishthatritvam
सर्वभावाधिष्ठातृत्वं सर्वभावाधिष्ठातृत्वं.
Perfect. Sarvajnatritvancha
सर्वज्ञातृत्वं च सर्वज्ञातृत्वं च.
Okay. Complete sutram. Sattvapurushanyata khyatimatrasya sarvabhavadhishthatritvam sarvajnatritvancha
सत्त्वपुरुषान्यता ख्यातिमात्रस्य सर्वभावाधिष्ठातृत्वं सर्वज्ञातृत्वं च. सत्त्वपुरुषान्यता ख्यातिमात्रस्य सर्वभावाधिष्ठातृत्वं सर्वज्ञातृत्वं च.
Very good. Tat वैराग्यात् अपि दोष बीज क्षये कैवल्यम् तत्
तत् तत्
वैराग्यात्
वैराग्यात् वैराग्यात्
अपि
अपि
दोष
दोष
बीज
बीज
क्षये
क्षये
कैवल्यम्
कैवल्यम्.
So here when takara followed by another consonant, we have to say the. So tad vairagyat. So even here the same thing, and then vairagyat and api. When we combine these two, it becomes a the again. Tad vairagyadapi. Tad vairagyadapi.
तद्वैराग्यादपि
दोष बीजक्षये कैवल्यम्
दोषबीजक्षये कैवल्यम्
तद्वैराग्यादपि दोष बीजक्षये कैवल्यम्
तद्वैराग्यादपि दोषबीजक्षये कैवल्यम् तद्वैराग्यादपि दोषबीजक्षये कैवल्यम्.
Very good. Okay. This will be the last sutra for today. Sthani, focus on the Mahapranatha. Upanimantrane Sangha Smaya Akaranam Punaha Anishta Prasangat. Sthani
उपनिमन्त्रणे
Sangha Smaya Akaranam
पुनः
Anishta Prasangat. Sthani and Upanimantrane, when combined, it is Sthanyupanimantrane. Here, Sangasmaya Karanam, there's no doubt here. Punaha Anishta, it turns into Punaranishta. We will repeat, we'll do the repetition. Sthanyupanimantrane.
स्थान्युपनिमन्त्रणे
Sangasmaya Karanam Punaranishta Prasangat Sthanyupanimantrane Sangasmaya Karanam Punaranishta Prasangat.
स्थान्युपनिमन्त्रणे सङ्गस्मयाकरणं पुनरनिष्टप्रसङ्गात् स्थान्युपनिमन्त्रणे सङ्गस्मयाकरणं पुनरनिष्टप्रसङ्गात्.
Very nice. So we will end the class here, and a few points to be noted. Tomorrow we will have a revision of the whole Vibhuti Pada because there are only 4 more sutras left in this. After teaching 4 sutras, we will be revising Vibhuti-pada. So anybody who is interested can raise their hands in the class, and we will be letting participants to chant, and we will also be suggesting improvements. Dhanyavadah. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramayaha, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschit dukha bhag bhavet. Ram Ram Ram.